We'll guide you through how to create a black and white video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project by either creating a new one or opening an existing one. Once you have your project open, make sure you're in the Color workspace. You'll find this at the bottom of the interface, where you can switch from Edit to Color. Now, in the Color workspace, focus on the Color Wheels tab. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your video. To make your video black and white, you need to desaturate it. Look for the saturation control, usually located in the primary color wheels section. It's a slider that defaults to 50. Drag this slider all the way to the left until it reaches 0. This will remove all color from your video, converting it to black and white. You can further adjust the look by tweaking contrast and brightness, which you can do under the lift, gamma, and gain wheels. Experiment with these to get the desired black and white effect. If you want specific areas of your video to stand out, you can use the Power Window tool to isolate areas and apply different settings. Just click on the Power Window icon, draw a shape over the area you want to adjust, and then tweak the settings as needed. This is great for creating emphasis or artistic effects. Finally, once you're satisfied with the black and white look, don't forget to save your project. To export, switch back to the Deliver workspace, set your export settings, and render your video. And there you have it, a black and white video ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.